The announcement of the discontinuation of Adobe Muse will undoubtedly raise the question for Muse users of how to best move forwards in light of this news. Whilst no product can be a one-to-one replacement for Muse, EverWeb has many of the same or similar features as Muse does. We'd like to introduce you to these features in this video. EverWeb is a 64-bit application built for the Mac. Like Muse, EverWeb is a drag-and-drop website builder, so there's no need to code to create your website. Both products include features such as master pages, asset management, automatically generated navigation menus, fully customizable contact forms, and much more. EverWeb is not a subscription service. With your purchase, you get a year of product updates and support. If after a year you don't want to renew your update and support plan, you still keep the version of EverWeb that you purchased. You'll never lose access to the software if you don't renew your plan. EverWeb installs locally, helping you to work faster. EverWeb's clean, modern user interface makes it easy to access most of its features in only 1 or 2 mouse clicks. Adding and manipulating text, shapes, images and media on your page is just as easy in EverWeb as it is in Adobe Muse. Whilst Muse uses Adobe's proprietary fonts, EverWeb supports Google fonts, making almost 900 free-to-use font families easily available for you to use. Like Muse, EverWeb includes built-in widgets, helping you easily add e-commerce, image galleries, image sliders, social media, and a host of other features to your site with just a click of a button. There are also many third-party widgets available for your every need. Muse uses widgets to enable blogging, but EverWeb has a fully integrated blogging environment built in. You can import blog posts from WordPress into EverWeb with just a few clicks and have either Facebook or Disqus as your commenting engine. Both EverWeb and Muse have their own royalty-free stock photo libraries. Easily find and add royalty-free images to your website for that perfect look. EverWeb's SEO features are baked into the product. For more information on how to maximize your SEO, please take a look at our SEO with EverWeb video course. Muse includes the ability to publish to Adobe's own hosting service. EverWeb also has its own hosting service available. For EverWeb Plus hosting users, features such as password protection, 404 page not found, HTTPS support, and much more are included within the product. If you already have your own hosting provider, that's no problem either. There are numerous other features that Muse and EverWeb have in common, so why not download the free trial version of EverWeb today to find out for yourself.